A couple times a week I clean out the fridge and I dump all the leftovers in a bowl to feed the dogs with this spoon that Tony melted.
It's custom. It's custom.
Yeah, so the dogs can eat off the spoon that Tony melted.
It's a custom spoon.
Anybody want a treat? There's a bite for Gypsy. There's a bite for Jack. You step on your pig. And a bite for Reba. You gotta wait your turn, Nikki. This is for Nikki. Oh, it's on your eye. I didn't feed her yet and she's got it on her eye. Okay, now we're back to Gypsy. Jack. Sorry, I thought Jack was gonna get it. Okay, you're littler, so you get a little bite. Let her have her bite. That's your bite. Here's Jack. Reba. Little bites for Nikki. Okay, there's a last bite for everybody. Got an egg here for you. Here we go. All done.
All done.
All done.